My job of the day. I accidentally left my camera at the house, so we're going back to the old way I used to do it. I got my phone out. We're doing service on an 8-lug. He's having issues with his brakes, his wiring. I'm going to change his plug on the front to a 7-way because he's got a 6-way pin on there. That'll be a new bearings, new seals, new grease. I'm going to change out or see if the brakes are working, and then make sure all his lights are working as well. We're doing the front plug. This was his plug, super rusted out. I'm changing it to a 7-way. I spliced everything in. I'm going to run it shrink wrap over the top of that. I'm just roughing everything and then checking lights and wiring and brakes. Got my butt connector or my eyelet bouquet. I'm wiring everything up. I'm going to test. I got wiring roughed in. I am not getting good power to the breakaway, so I probably need to switch a wire on something. I just need to figure out what it is. But everything else is working. Tail tag is on. Good markers all the way around. Driver side rear is on. 3-way lap bar is on. Passenger side rear is on. Passenger side front. And passenger side front corner is on. We got right turn. We got left turn. And I gotta pick it up. Oh wait, I got driver side up off the ground. The brakes are not working. I did find I miswired to put the red wire on the blue now, so the brakes are working. I'm getting good power. And I was just stuck on brakes cycling. Well, I'm gonna tear everything down, see what the backing plates look like. There's something wrong with the brakes. Probably magnets that are just absolutely fried. I found the brake that was shorting out. This one right here is the one shorting out. So it's the passenger side rear. All right, I got all 4 hubs on my workbench. I'm gonna change out this one. It's got a super high spot on the magnet surface. Everything else is smooth. I'm gonna change every single brake on the trailer. This one actually got super hot that it blued, but everything's still smooth and no need to change that out. Show you what it looks like on the magnet. The magnet melted as it got so hot. This is the one that was shortening the whole system out. I'm gonna change all these brakes. They're past life, so changing them out, put new ones on. New backing plates on the driver's side. New backing plates on the passenger side. Testing amps. I got 12. Perfect. 12 amps. And I got everything working. The only one that's blinking is the backup lights, but that doesn't go to anything. 12 volts charging. We're good to go. Passenger side hub is on. Cutter key is installed. Passenger side rear is on. Cutter key is installed. Brakes are all slightly rubbing. Just adjusted them. Brakes are on. Rear is locked up. Front is locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning on the front. Free spinning on the rear. Driver side front new hub. Cutter key is on and installed. Driver side rear is on. Cutter key is on and installed. Rear free spinning, slightly rubbing. Front free spinning, slightly rubbing. Brakes are on. Front is locked up. Rear locked up. Brakes are off. Rear free spinning. Front free spinning. Ooh, I'm gonna back that brake off just a little bit. All wirings, all shrunk wrap. Everything is secured with zip ties. Front is all secured with zip ties. Go to the other side, show that. Good zip ties, everything's shrunk wrap. Good zip ties, everything's shrunk wrap. You got dust caps. Rear passengers free spinning. Front passengers free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Front locked up. We'll go to the other side. Rear on driver's side, free spinning. I adjusted out this brake. Front's free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are locked up. Brakes are locked up. Perfect. Driver's side, tires and wheels are on. Front's free spinning. Rear's free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are off. Free spinning on the rear. Free spinning on the front. And passenger side. Front free spinning. Rear free spinning. Brakes are on. Front's locked up. Rear's locked up. Brakes off. Front free spinning. Rear free spinning. Perfect. Splice is all butt connected in, all shrunk wrap, and I got big shrink wrap going over the top of that. Wire is all shrunk wrap. And last thing, torque driver side and passenger side lug nuts. This job's done. All new backing plates, 1 new hub on the driver's side front, all new bearings, new seals, new grease. I fixed up his front light here. It's nice and long and extended for his truck. Everything's shrunk wrap, everything's zip tied nice and clean. All the butt connectors are shrunk wrap on the axles, everything's zip tied. This one's done and I'm on to the next.